Hi everyone, my name is Albert. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Power BI on your desktop. In fact, it's a very simple process. So you just need to open google.com, write here free download Power BI. But you want to make sure that when you download the program, it is from an official site from Microsoft, right? So we click on this one, and here we see that we can choose our language. So in this case, I will take English and just press download. As you can see in the right top corner, it is a window. It will show the progress of the download. Okay, now download is completely. We just need to open the file, click open file. A new window will pop up with the installation process. I choose the English language, I click next. Okay, next. I accept the terms, next. This is the path where I will install Power BI. In my case is C. Next, and just click install. This will take some time. We'll come back to it when it's done. Okay, so this is how it looks like when installation is completed. I will let this option checked. So, and I will click finish. I just want to open the app afterwards. And we are almost ready to go. This.